Hello there, and welcome to Ivan's Daily Photo. Today is day 26, and I am going to walk through the process of photographing a recipe and eventually doing a mix of its history photography or kind of sharing the process of something to help you understand, what are the things that you want to look for when you're trying to photograph a process to eventually getting done with the final product, what things to do to compose the photograph so that the image that you end up with is a photo that conveys the story of to the viewers and most likely connects with the viewers. So today's recipe is mango salsa. So let's go and let's make some salsa. So we're gonna start making our salsa. So the first thing I did is I gathered most of the ingredients. As a photographer, I'm setting things up and I'm trying to find my composition, but more importantly, I'm looking for good light that will help me define and showcase these items as I'm working on them. First thing I do is I'm working on slicing some tomatoes and actually chopping them in small pieces to make it for the salsa. Then I chop about a quarter of a red onion, and again very small pieces to make it part of the mix. Next thing I do is I get the mangoes, and what I'm doing is I'm slicing the size of it and then do cross cuts to eventually help me get some small pieces into it. I add some cilantro and also being chopped in small pieces, as well as some mint. This is kind of my personal touch to it. I like it, how it tastes. So now I bring it into the bowl, and the next thing I do is I add some salt, pepper, and olive oil, and I mixed. And once it's done, you get this amazing, very, very flavorful salsa. And here is my photo of the day, mango salsa, and I hope you like it.